Tell me what happened. They're wasps.
Welcome to the Star Jam fam.
Wow! Whoa! Wow!
What's going on, Wyatt?
I'm using the virtual reality thing device.
What's reality in your world right now?
Aliens.
Oh.
And a rabbit.
Odd combination.
They got back in their spaceship.
Oh, they got back in the spaceship. Nice. That's good. It's time for them to go.
Well, I was playing at my cousin's house. Daddy and Uncle Sean went dirt bike riding.
Nice. We have a truck coming, so you know on the next lap.
Game.
Yeah, it's like
Nice.
It's like Portal. It's like levels they have to get through.
Whoa! I was like super. I was touching the door that time. Whoa! What's this orange circle?
This is going to be about Amy. Amy and I.
Is it working? Like if you look at the start button, are you in a room now?
I haven't done the start button yet. I just see lights around me, so start.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey.
You were looking at me a while ago.
This looks like why it's like that Mario game we play, Wyatt, where you like shine the flashlight and find the ghost under the
Luigi's Ghost House?
I need my flashlight. She left. The doll left. Creeper?
Like from Minecraft?
Oh, Humpty Dumpty. She fell. I didn't push her.
I went over the berm. Well, halfway.
Did you push her?
No. I can't believe you
This is pretty crazy.
actually pointed at me.
Bats. I don't like bats. This is freaky. I'm in some creeper room with heavy breathing.
Awesome.
So much fun.
Sweet. It's fun watching you.
Yeah, I'm gonna be sore tomorrow.
When I left my cousin's house, I got a wasp sting in my backyard. I was playing on the playground. Check it out.
Hey, Jude.
No hands!
Look, no hands.
No hands! Whoa. No feet! It's easier, no. It's easier with no feet. And they said I tried to play with the neighbor dog
It's Jedi trying to play with the neighbor dog.
on that side of the fence.
Oh yeah, he's sniffing all around over there to find him, isn't he? So now we're swinging together. My dude. He's awesome. He loves to be affectionate. So he loves to swing with me and hold my hand while we're swinging.
Tell me what happened. They're wasps. Show me where they got you.
No!
This'll help.
That'll help it.
What is it?
Just baking soda and water.
It's just mostly water. It'll help you.
Okay. They got me too at least once. I know, baby. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. He's just screaming, help! Help! Is that it right there? That was a little surreal moment. That was not fun, dude. That was not fun at all. I'm so sorry. I'm so glad I was right there and could rescue you quickly. Because that would be a good reason.
Now we're going in the yard again.
Oh no.
Oh, good. Okay.
Oh
I know I have one on my hand. I'm going to put it on my hand. So he was about to go down the slide and told me there was a bee, and I looked around and thought maybe it was a fly or something. And then when I did get close enough to the slide, a whole bunch of them came out of the top, from under the top of the slide. And so he was sitting on this little platform that's at the top of the slide, and all like it's like there's like a hornet's nest or wasp nest, whatever it is. It's a wasp nest, I guess, under the top of the slide apparently, because then the whole mother lode came out and just started swarming around him, and they were angry. They were mad, and you were in the middle, and you just started screaming, help! Help! Mommy, help me! Get me out of here! Help me! And I didn't know which way to take you, because I didn't want to pull you through the wasps, because I thought if I pull them through, they're going to be even more angry. And when I reached in, they got me. My boy.
Here it is up close.
Okay.
It's a little swollen there, huh? You're gonna be okay.
But
We're gonna have to take care of those little buggers.
Daddy's going to have to go kill some things. Uncle John had some kind of crazy suit he wore to go take care of his wasp nest. Maybe you can borrow that.
Maybe. Good morning. This morning we're gonna take care of those pesky wasps. Got my trusty wasp spray. We'll see what we can do. Those guys are hiding right over in there in the playground somewhere. Gotta find them. I'm scared. I don't know where they are. There they are. Found the little buggers. They're waking up, but they're about ready to get woken up. Oh yeah. Take that, you no good, dirty, rotten scoundrels.
Good morning. So, good morning, James says.
Good morning.
So this is the day after that, the wasps swarming, and yesterday to treat the stings on Jude and I, we used just a little baking soda paste for a couple minutes, then we wiped it off, and we used this essential oil purification. And I just wanted to show you how it looks today. Ta-da!
Purification.
Essential oil.
The godsend.
Can you see it? Can you even really see it? Barely. It's hard to even tell where it is.
Yeah, I can't even see it.
Yeah, Jude can't even see it. And see the one on my hand? Yeah.
Yeah, but
It was
once
right
you touch it, I
in
know
between
where
those
it
knuckles
is 'cause
down on the
it's
hand part.
good.
You can't even see it either. How does it feel?
Good.
Can you even, does it feel normal or can you still feel?
It feels normal. It looks better.
It was right there. I mean, yesterday it hurt. I wouldn't have touched it.
Because we use God oil.
We used God oil. God gave us the plants, huh?
Hey guys, thanks for watching the Scar Jam fam. Be sure to click subscribe and thumbs up.